I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
I never went to college.
Okay.
You know, and being that you're a college student, I wanted you to give me some insight how it feels to be a college student.
How it feels?
Yeah.
I feel smart.
You do?
I do. I feel I'm an education major, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a teacher. So
Okay.
I kind of feel like I've always been in school, and I'm always gonna be in school.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of a way of life for
There
me,
you
I
go.
guess.
Like a circle.
Yeah.
Like a circle.
It's a full circle.
So now, when you decide to be in the education, did you do it to get the younger guys? You can be honest. It's okay.
No,
it's okay.
I'm gonna be a kindergarten teacher,
Oh, okay,
so
that'd be
that's
That'd
inappropriate.
be weird. That'd definitely be weird.
No, I did not do it. I just like kids, and
Yeah.
I like learning new things.
Okay. Do you have any kids?
No.
You want any?
Yes.
Just get-
I do
right
want
now?
kids.
I'm
Not
just
right now.
kidding.
Not right now. I need to finish school first.
Of course. We'll get all your practice you can do. But yeah. So, do you watch YouTube a lot?
I do watch YouTube. quite
You
a
should
bit,
check
yeah.
out Ratchet Rick,
Ratchet Rick.
and you should subscribe
I will.
because it's me,
Okay.
and I think I'm fairly cool.
You seem cool.
Thank you. I'm gonna make a black guy blush. Well, Samantha, what's the craziest thing you've seen since you've been here? How long have you been here?
This is my 4th year.
4th year?
Yeah,
How old
4th
are you,
year.
if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 21.
You're 21?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm a little behind, but
Ah,
we'll get there eventually.
I dropped out of high school 7 times.
Oh, okay. So I'm not that bad.
Yeah, you're not that behind. Yeah.
What's the craziest thing that's happened? Well, since UT is downtown, I saw like a naked homeless man selling hot dogs one time.
Really? Was
Yeah.
it his hot
I
dog?
didn't buy any, but he was selling hot dogs. That's pretty crazy.
They probably were pretty kosher though. I mean, probably, USDA approved.
Yeah, probably.
Yesterday we were downtown. We got another reason you should check out my page. We got some pretty crazy homeless people downtown yesterday.
There are.
It's pretty hilarious. Pretty
There
good stuff.
are.
Pretty good stuff. So, like, for us to get some like good, interesting footage, where would you recommend we go?
On UT campus?
Yeah. Without getting arrested.
The SAC
What's the
is
SAC?
pretty popular. It's this huge building right over here. That's where like everybody hangs out pretty much.
Okay.
The Speedway, there's a lot
Speedway.
of people on the Speedway. Weird
Okay.
people on the Speedway.
Weird
yeah.
people?
Guadalupe is always a good place to go. There's a lot of homeless people in Guadalupe. So if you're looking
good.
for homeless people.
I think I'm gonna take a different speed today, and I'm all homeless now for this.
Yeah. I'd say the Speedway is pretty interesting. There's a lot of students on it because that's pretty much how we get to each class.
So which direction is the Speedway?
You're gonna go straight like up these stairs, and then it's like literally this like brick road that
Yeah.
just goes across.
The yellow
campus.
brick road?
Pretty much, yeah.
That's what we found.
Yeah.
All right. Well, appreciate it, Samantha.
Nice to meet you.